Ooh, it's hot. What's good, y'all? What's going on? What you been up to? Ooh, it's good. Ooh. Hey, y'all. Hey. Mm. All right, let me see. Mm. What's up? Dijon, yeah, what's up, guys? My birthday is tomorrow. Y'all show me some love. Thank you, Denzi. My birthday is tomorrow. Happy birthday to you as well. Show me some love, y'all. I should have put that in my caption. How do I put it in my caption? Oh, it's hot. Thank you. It's tomorrow, though. I need some ketchup, for sure. Give me the number one thing people eat with chicken. Ugh, I don't like that piece. Ugh. Rice? He said rice. Fries? Okay. Rice. Starch. Huh? Oh, starch as in rice. Fries. That's it. Am I still in Atlanta? Yes. I'm eating a rotisserie that I made. That shit good, y'all. It's good. It's really good. It's so good. Can y'all tell? It is. It is. I'm working out for tomorrow. I'm working out. I need some ketchup. already full, y'all. I had like 2 bites. I literally had like 2 bites. Damn. Sure, you can have some. Would you rather speak all the languages or speak animals? What? Or speak to animals? I'd rather speak to animals. You know how much money I can make? You know how much money I would make? You know how much money I would make? Being Dr. Doolittle? Do you know how much fucking money? I would rather talk to animals. Thank you, y'all. Show me some love. Tap the screen, guys. Tap the screen for me if you ain't here. Thank you. You said accept you. You a comedian? What you gonna do when I accept you? You gonna tell some jokes? If I don't make you laugh, I can kick you off? Okay, hold on. Oh, shit. I don't know how to add you to my live. How do you add somebody to the live, y'all? I never did it before. How you do that? How do you do it? All right, I'm not going to be greedy and eat a whole fucking rotisserie. I'm not going to do that. Or maybe. Click on your name and then what? I don't know what to do after that. Click on. I don't know what to do after that. You got to tell me. I clicked on your name. It didn't say anything. What's up, Raul? Raul, that's an old man name. Raul, how old are you? My step grandpa name is Raul. My day's been good. This was good. I did a good job. Very well seasoned, you know what I'm saying? Y'all tap the screen for me, y'all. I thought I heard somebody screaming. Tap the screen, guys. Tap the screen. Yeah. All right. Let me move my food. I can't see. I had already accepted you. It didn't do anything.
Yo, you can hear me?
Yeah, I hear you.
Oh, yo, what's up?
What's good?
Not much. I'm not busy. Oh, shit, you good?
All right, hold on. What the fuck is happening?
Nah, your phone dropped. I'm from New York. Where you from?
I'm in Atlanta.
Shit, ATL, okay. Nah, I just been in this lot for a minute. I just been staring at them for real, but all right, let me just get my shit together, you know. I've been doing this shit a lot of A lot of just I've been doing some males lives, but I've been doing most females lives and shit.
Okay, what you do?
You know, some back.
Huh?
Like, what's your type? Like, what's your type of jokes? Type shit.
What's my type of what?
Yeah, like what be making you laugh? Type shit.
What makes me laugh?
Yeah, you see me? You
I
like
don't
them
know.
small jokes?
I have dark humor.
Oh, you like that meta humor shit?
Yeah, I'm like a dark humor type of person. So it's gonna be hard to make me laugh.
Oh shit. Oh, fuck. Alright. Wait, what's your like job and shit? You like working like medical field?
I have a few jobs. Does it you want me to be specific?
Yeah, like
Okay, I'm a massage therapist. That's one of them.
okay. You making money off that? Like,
Are we here to tell jokes or
oh
tell
no,
my business?
I'm
Which
trying to think. I don't I expect you to like say like you feel me like a knock joke or some shit. I ain't really come for this dark humor type shit.
you say you a
Fuck.
comedian?
I'm like, yeah, I be doing this shit. Fuck. All right, let me.
Okay, so my favorite comedian is Dave Chappelle and Will Ferrell.
Oh, I like Dave Chappelle. I ain't know Will Ferrell, but I know Dave Chappelle. All right,
Yeah.
shit. Fuck. Fine shit. You know the Family Guy and shit.
Yeah, I watch Family Guy. They got dark humor in Family Guy.
Exactly. That's all I'm trying to be thinking. I'm trying to be thinking on daytime and this shit. But
It's young.
you know,
Mm.
I'm gonna cut to the chase. I accepted this shit because you got fat ass titties, and I love that shit, bro. I've been staring at that motherfucker.
So you ain't never see titties in your life.
I'm like, nah, I just downloaded this shit, bro. I don't be using this shit at all. Like my last video was 2022. I ain't
So
really
you
be on
came
this
on here to
shit.
let everybody know I got big. Everybody can see my titties. So
I
what's the other
know.
reason why you came on here?
Shit turned me on. I ain't gonna lie. I just like holla at you type shit. I got 200 what's that, 2,000 followers on IG. So I got a little
Okay.
motion and shit.
Somewhat.
I got a little motion and shit. I ain't just here, you feel me? Yeah. I know you like niggas with motion, right?
I don't date niggas. I date men.
Oh, you like classy niggas. Like classy, you feel me?
Well,
Um,
what you
oh
like?
no, I'm 22.
What are you?
I'm
What are you like?
22.
19 years old?
Nah, I'm 22. The fuck?
Same thing.
Okay. Yeah. I ain't no little boy. Fuck. Yeah. But nah, it's not about me though. It's about you though. Like you a massage chair therapist and shit. You made me good money off that. Shit, what the fuck you look at me like that? Oh nah, she blocked me.
Gotta go, but I had to block you. I don't know any other way to get you off of here. Sorry. If you want to come back, just let me know. Let me unblock. I'm gonna unblock you. I don't know how to get anybody off of here, so I have to. I'll unblock you. All right, I ain't block you. You back, but you asking stupid ass questions. You gotta go. He really just came on here to say that. He just wasted time. Anyway, I'm back, y'all. I'm back. I ain't going nowhere. Mm, mm. All right, I'm full. This is crazy. Tap the screen, guys. Happy Saturday. My birthday is tomorrow, everybody. So show me some love. Tap the screen. You know what I'm saying? I'm done eating. I'm done. I'm done eating. This is a lot of food. Sai que passa Shelly Dudu, sai café. Let me stop eating. My internet bad? Really? Oh, God. Hold on, y'all. Let me change my internet. Hold on. All right, I'm back. Is the internet better now? I like when I eat chicken, I like it to be burnt because I like it to be burnt. I don't like chicken that's not burnt. Like, you know what I mean? I like chicken well done. Because I don't really like chicken. I just started eating chicken like a couple of months ago, and sometimes it grosses me out. So it has to be like really cooked, like burnt, or else I can't eat the shit. But I ate it today though. It has to be like burnt, like, you know what I mean? Like, cause I'll be like, ugh. I'm full as fuck. How am I so full? That's crazy. I'm Dominican and Haitian, yes. Yeah. I need it. Y'all, I'll be back. I'm finna go upstairs. I'll be back, y'all. I'm gonna get back on live in a minute.